Ow! What's that? This doesn't seem right. Hi, is Claire there? Hi, can I speak to her, please? Yeah, hey Claire. Hi, how you doing? You're not feeling good? Why? Well, yeah, I was just worried you're not feeling good because I'm actually not feeling good. I sprayed that vanilla lace that you gave me, and all of a sudden I just don't feel that well. Yeah. Okay, just give me a call back. I need to know where you got it. Okay, bye. Who left this here? What is this, a joke? Yeah.